Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to add fonts to Word and Excel. So, go to any browser, type Google Fonts, visit the site, and if you know your font name, you can search it above. Or choose any font here. Let's choose this, Protest Revolution font. First, make sure that we don't have that font in Word. There is no. And let's install it. Click on this font. Download it. Open it. And install it. So, it's ready. We have installed it in Windows Fonts. Now we can find it everywhere. Again, I search that font, and it's here. At the same time, you can find it in Excel. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!